Hello and welcome back to our Istanbul tour. Today we explore one of the city's hidden gem, the Kuçuksu Pavilion. Nestled on the bank of Bosphorus, the elegant waterfront palace was built in mid-19th century as an imperial hunting lodge for the Ottoman Sultan. Unlike the grand Dolmabahçe or Topkapı Palace, Kuçuksu Pavilion is smaller but rich in its architecture. Kuçuksu Pavilion is smaller but rich in its architect's beauty. Its Baroque architecture, intricate carving, and luxurious interior make it a stunning example of Ottoman European fusion. Join us as we step inside this historical retreat and uncover its royal charm. Today we are here with our tourist from USA and we are going to take him for the 6 days Istanbul tour. So stay tuned with us for the 6 days videos where we have gone. We have explored all the palaces and the museums along with the beautiful mosque in Istanbul. So stay tuned for upcoming more videos and we'll be sharing everything what we have showed to him. We provide tour guide service in Istanbul and other cities of Turkey. We hire private Vito car on the customer's demand and take him to the different places in a private luxurious car. So we headed toward all the palaces in a Vito car. Our tour starts at 9 o'clock in the morning. We pick the passengers from the hotel and take him around the Istanbul as per the scheduled places and the timings. Day 1 we covered all the palaces and this video is one of the Kuçuksu Palace. There are so many palaces in Istanbul like Dolmabahçe and Beylerbeyi Palace, Kuçuksu Pavilion and many other. So this video I have shown you this just the one palace and the rest of the thing will be showing in another video. So if you guys are new to my channel, please subscribe and stay tuned for complete 6-day tours and enjoy a virtual tour of Istanbul. We recommend tourists to pre-buy the museum cards to skip the line and these cards are available online. All the museum cards for the tourists and the rates are different for the tourists and the resident. To check how to purchase the card, you can watch our previous videos. We have already made the video how to purchase the card. Kuçuksu Pavilion, that's Kuçuksu Saray, is a historical summer place located on the Asia shore of Bosphorus in Istanbul, Turkey. It's a masterpiece of Ottoman architecture rich in history and cultural significance. Its historical background is structured. The site which where Kuçuksu Pavilion stands was originally used as a hunting lodge during the reign of Ottoman Sultan Murad IV in 17th century. Current pavilion, the present structure was commissioned by Sultan Abdul Majid I and designed by the renowned Armenian architectural Garbet Belan and his sons. Belan construction was completed in 1857. The interiors are adorned with European style furniture, crystal chandelier, gold leaf decorations, and painted ceiling. The pavilion features two floors with reception hall, sitting room, and the grand staircase. The purpose was the purpose behind making this pavilion was to summer retreat and hunting lodge for the sultans, offering a tranquil escape from the busy city of Istanbul. The historical use of this sarai was served as a reception and recreational spot for Ottoman royalty. It was primarily used for a short stay and a picnics. Republican era. After the establishment of the Turkish Republic, the pavilion was restored and opened to the public as a museum in 1944. The significance and legacy, if I tell you about it, is a nestle between the lush greenery and the Bosphorus, and the pavilion boasts stunning view of the waterway. Cultural importance, it reflects the Ottoman Empire, transitions of European influence architecture and design. Pavilion was appeared in several Turkish film, TV serials, adding to its fame. Today's Kuçuksu Pavilion is a popular tourist attraction offering visitors a glimpse of the Ottoman life. It is maintained by Turkish Directorate of National Palaces and is used to the open as a public museum. There's a beautiful cafeteria in the front of the water and that serves. This opposite you can see is the Rumeli Fort, and after this we're going to visit the Rumeli Fort. Stay tuned with us. In the next video we'll be sharing everything about Rumeli Fort and other palaces. Thank you so much for watching. Do subscribe and don't forget to drop your lovely comments. Stay tuned. Allah Hafiz.